Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, March 19 to 22, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. And let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph sat, beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We don't have any the major weather systems affecting the Philippine Islands except for the surface trough, which has been lingering for the past few days over the areas of Northern and Central Luzon, bringing some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. And it is expected to persist in the next couple of days before another surge of the northeast monsoon will begin moving down across the northern and eastern sections of Luzon. And outside of PAR, we have here a couple of surface troughs as well. So nothing to worry about. So this surface trough is brought to you by the prevailing La Nina phenomenon. That's why even in different parts of the country, we are expecting isolated rain showers and thunderstorms because of this climate condition. Now let's take a look at our fast animation. There you go. This is the surface trough, bringing some thunderstorms across parts of northern and central Luzon. This is a strong thunderstorm over areas of Tarlac, Pampanga, as well as Pangasinan and nearby areas, including areas of Nueva Ecija and also over the eastern sections of Isabela. So this is common, especially when we have a La Nina conditions affecting the country. And we also have here a localized thunderstorm bringing some rains over the eastern sections of Davao Oriental. And as we look at our forecast, the rain and pressure forecast from windy.com, this is from the European model. By tomorrow afternoon, we could still expect some isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across central or northern Luzon, and also some areas of the Visayas and major areas in Mindanao. And as we move towards Sunday, it looks like the whole of the archipelago might have some chances of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms from Luzon, Visayas, Mimaropa down to Mindanao, and this is expected for the weekend. And on Monday, we still have some thunderstorms that is expected to develop over the central portions of Luzon, including portions of southern Luzon and northern Luzon. That includes Metro Manila and some showers over the Bicol region, and also thunderstorms over southern Palawan, portions of some portions of Mindanao as well. And as we look at our wind forecast for the next 3 days, Saturday, we have some easterly surface wind flow affecting Batanes and Babuyan Cove Islands, while the Bicol region and eastern Visayas, some light easterlies. But on Sunday, we still have some easterly surface wind flow prevailing across the eastern sections of Luzon, Bicol region, eastern Visayas. And we have a northeasterly surface wind flow over the extreme northernmost parts of Luzon. And on Monday, we have another surge of the northeast monsoon. Probably this could be the last, or sometimes it extends up to the first week of April. So it will affect extreme northern Luzon as well as the eastern sections of Luzon, including Calabarzon and maybe Metro Manila. And expect some winds of up to 40 or 50 kph come Monday afternoon. Okay, so that's it. That's our latest for this Friday through Monday. And we'll be returning again next week to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.